Time for some violin lessons. It's Mr. Pedigo here. Let's look at Red-Haired Boy. Remember, if you need to get sheet music for this song, I've got it in the Google Drive. You can find that on our Google Classroom. And if you are having a difficult time finding that, send me an email. I'll be happy to help. So last time we stopped off, we were talking about voltas, and the difference, we know what a volta is now, which is good. And that the voltas that we see in Red-Haired Boy, the only difference is just the note value. It's just a half note to a quarter note, right? So let's take a look at the second part of the song. We're on line 3. And I can tell you right off the bat that this will come together really quickly, but you'll need to learn a little bit of a move on the violin. I'll show you that in a second and break it down. I'm gonna go ahead and play the second part of the song real quick. Okay, so just kind of feel it out. Or something to that effect. I kind of use some slurs and some alternative bowings there, but that's kind of that's what you should be hearing in the second part of the song. Okay, so you hear that the second part of the song has some similarities between the first part, right? Especially the latter, the tail end of the second part of the song. It basically just repeats like that. So we're going to be working today on just the beginning of the second part of the song, because that's the only part that's actually new to us. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see, I'm looking at measure 9. You see another one of those naturals, those G naturals, just telling us that we're playing the second finger, the G, is going to be close to the first finger instead of a sharp like the key of A would normally have it, a big step. We're playing natural as if we were playing that second finger in the key of G. So the first part, easy. E, F, G, F, E, dun, 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 dun. So that's easy. Let's look at this next part. Go ahead and pause and play that a couple times. That's what we're working on. Pause, freeze. Okay, we're back. So the next part is a cool exercise that I'll show you, and we're gonna play it first. Measure 10, we'll play this on the E and A strings, and then we're actually gonna play kind of a variation of it on the A and D string, exactly the same kind of fingering. So I'll show you the variation. This is measure 10. So I'm going 3, E, 1, E, 3, 3. That's what we're playing. 3, E, 1, E, 3, 3. Now look at this. That's measure 10. If you're looking at this and you want to see the similarities here, check this out. Look. Look at this. 3, E, 3, 3, E, 1, E, 3, 3. Look at measure 12 right here. 3, A, 1, A, 3, 3. The same kind of pattern, but shifted down to the lower string, okay? So that's not, that's not too difficult. So what I would say to practice that is to do this. Get really comfortable with 3A, or let's just put it in terms of opens. 3, open, 1, open, 3, 3. Do the same thing on the A string, as we'll actually play that later. Another exercise on the D and G. Up and down, and get familiar with that, because you'll have to play that fast when you're playing the song up to tempo. So look, I'll play the measures 9 and 10. Ooh. 3A, dun, dun, dun. So we're adding those two together. And then you got, and it looks like it's pretty much the same pattern again, but shifted down. 2, 3, E, A. Then you have that. Okay, so the whole third line of the song. That's all we're playing, okay? I'll do it again slowly. So what we'll do either tomorrow or next week is just tie up all the loose ends on this song, because the next part of it literally is just a repeat, okay? So it repeats the first part of the song, okay? But for right now, 3, open 1, open 3, 3 is a really good exercise. I would recommend playing that. Maybe you could do something like this. So like first octave of the G major scale, followed by the exercise, then first octave of the D major scale. First octave of A major scale. Something like that is a good finger exercise, and it's crucial to the playing of that song. Rock and roll. Have a great day.